Okay, so I wanted to show you how to attach for the sleeves. So we're going to start with our yarn and form a loop here and attach just as you would to get started with chaining. And then we're going to attach with a single crochet. Now I had 6 chains here for my bodice or lower body, so I'm going to know that I'm going to have 3 and 3. So I'm going to start and there will be 1, 2, 3 just to divide that evenly. So I insert my hook and single crochet to join, and then I just start single crocheting, and then I'm going to start up on these stitches here, right here, and I will single crochet around the whole sleeve. Okay, so now I'm coming down the other side of the sleeve, coming back to those chains. Okay, one more single crochet here, and then remember I had 3 plus 3 because I had done 6 chains, so I'm going to make sure I have 3 down here to finish off. So you just want to make sure you check your stitch count when you're done with this, and that you have the correct number of stitches for what the pattern says. Okay, so when we get here, you'll just join for working in the round. Go ahead and do just a regular single crochet for the first one, and then you'll start your back loop, front loop pattern, just like we did for the lower body. So you'll insert your stitch marker in that first stitch in this round, and now we're beginning round 2. All right.